Good morning. Welcome to Family Cooking. Today I'm going to make a khichdi of sago. These are the sago pearls or the tapioca pearls. So to make a sago khichdi, first you need to do is rinse them thoroughly for 2 to 3 times and then drain off the water completely. After draining off the water completely, you need to soak the sago pearls in half a cup of water. So I have taken 1 full cup of sago pearls and I will be adding in half a cup of water to it, and I leave it for it to be soaked for 5 to 6 hours. Please remember to use the same measuring cup. This is the sago pearls which I had soaked for 6 hours now. So if you see, the pearls increase in size and it's not sticking to each other. This is how we want the sago pearls to be. So the ingredients that we need for this is 1 potato cut in cubes, a cup full of peanuts, cumin seeds, cumin powder, turmeric powder, chopped coriander leaves, lemon juice, salt to taste, and oil. First, let us roast this peanut in a pan. I have now divided the roasted peanuts into 2 parts. So half I would be grinding it and the remaining half to put straight into the pan. So the one which I would grind, I prefer to take the skin off, but you can also opt to keep the skin on. So let's grind them. You do not need to grind it thoroughly, just a little bit of crushing should be more than enough. So please press the red button that says subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified of all my videos as soon as it's uploaded. Now let's heat some oil in a pan and add in some cumin seeds and let them splutter. Once the cumin seeds have spluttered, let's add in some potatoes. I've cut the potatoes in cubes. You can also opt to add in boiled potatoes, but I prefer to fry the potatoes in the pan itself as it gives a crunchy taste to our khichdi. So we need to fry the potatoes until it's nice golden brown. The potatoes are nice golden brown. Now let's add in some curry leaves to it. Sorry, I've forgotten to say this with the ingredients. So I'm adding in some curry leaves. Saute them well. Now let's add in some turmeric powder. I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Then cumin powder. Just a pinch of cumin powder should be more than enough. You may opt not to put the cumin powder if you do not wish to. Let's saute them all well. Now let's add in the soaked sago pearls. So if you see, it's all nice dried up. This is how we need the sago pearls to be. Let's give them all a good mix. Now let's add in the crushed peanut powder. I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons full of peanut powder. It really adds additional taste to our khichdi. Giving them all a good mix again. Add in some salt as per taste. Mix them all well. Adding in some roasted peanuts to it. Giving them all a good mix. And now we need to reduce the fire into low flame and cover and cook it for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the lid off and then give it a good mix. If you can see, the color has changed of the sago pearls. You may be able to see it's become a bit transparent color. So this is what we need. This shows that the sago pearls are cooked now. This is enough. Now we don't need to cook it any further. Turning off the flame, just add in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And finally, some chopped coriander leaves. The Sago Khichdi is ready. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up. And do not forget to press the red button which says subscribe. And do press the bell icon as well so that you will be notified of all my videos as soon as it's uploaded. Please do let me know about your views in the comment section. Thank you.